empowering exporters, technology at your service. Undoubtedly, we are living in an era where technology is advancing at an unstoppable pace, so much so that even developed countries have struggled to legislate on matters such as privacy and the widely discussed artificial intelligence. The export industry is not distant from these advancements and discoveries. Take, for instance, the implementation of technology and robotics in the cherry industry, which is certainly one of the most visible applications. However, concerning cargo insurance and recovery processes, technology has been a less frequent element that the industry has failed to analyze and utilize adequately. One of the pioneers in technology and services is undoubtedly the Maersk Group, which launched a system called Captain Peter to the market over 5 years ago. This system allows exporters to monitor the temperatures, gases, and settings of their cargoes in real time. This launch marked the first step towards benefiting cargo interests who constantly had to deal with shipping companies through formal claims or even arbitration to demand the reading of the data logger. This device can store and record the behavior of the refrigeration unit with records every hour for up to 5 years. The strategy of concealment, which has been a significant barrier to resolving cargo claims for many years, seems to be coming to an end with initiatives like the one led by the Maersk Group. It took at least 3 years for Hapag-Lloyd, together with its new system H-Live, following its announcement in 2019, to truly see the light and definitively enter the export markets of Chile and Peru, covering almost 100% of its reefer fleet. It is during this period, between 2022 to 2023, that other shipping companies begin to adopt these technologies. Most of them are pursuing the same goal: to provide customers with transparent information on temperature behaviors during maritime journeys in exchange for a fee per container. Hence, companies like COSCO, Evergreen, CMA, CGM, and Zim Lines are now finalizing the implementation of transmission devices in their reefer fleets, allowing exporters to access this valuable and useful information. Recently, One, a shipping company, announced the incorporation of this technology throughout its reefer fleet in partnership with Carrier, one of the largest manufacturers of refrigeration machinery. It is quite noticeable, though, that one major player is absent from this list of shipping companies aiming to utilize technology for customer service. Could this absence signify a deliberate policy within this shipping company? It's not a coincidence that the highest number of legal proceedings we currently handle in RSK Group involve this carrier. Moreover, they have garnered the worst success rate in terms of recoveries. With over 15 years of experience in cargo recoveries, RSK serve as a reliable barometer for assessing and diagnosing the health of a shipping company when it comes to compensating exporters for damages to highly perishable products. Ultimately, it is you, our clients, who must judge and choose wisely when defining strategies at the beginning of each season. Indeed, concerning cargo insurance, the possibility of accessing data logger readings, as well as the German trend of eliminating coverage for delays in policies, has paved the way for controlling transportation risks like never before. The option to self-manage cargo claims without the need to pay insurance premiums for each container has sparked considerable interest in the industry regarding this path. But is it genuinely a risk for an exporter to decide not to insure? Answering this question is now less complicated, as we have been working with exporters who have abandoned traditional insurance for over 2 years and opted to prepare, with the assistance of experts, and strategic export plan. This not only involves choosing the right shipping company, but also reviewing internal procedures, consolidation reports, installation and use of temperature recorders, cargo stowage, sales methods, and how to document them correctly, among other aspects. In conclusion, we believe that the time is right, as long as companies are willing to review their procedures, train their staff, and pursue cargo claims only when the merits are genuine. Any other working models will be more of the same. We believe that the virtuous circle of cargo claims is the next step we must take. Just as shipping companies have decided to transparently disclose their temperature records to ensure fair payments and avoid meritless claims, it is fair and prudent for cargo claims to be increasingly supported by documents that clarify the facts and ensure fairness for all parties. The route ahead is long, but fortunately, we have already started this journey.